Our journey was a mixed feeling because on board we had people who were expecting to see a lot of things. So they always kept on asking questions and we had to explain. Good thing we had someone from Kenya Tourism Board all the way from Kampala to Naivasha where we are today. And that person at least helped us to see the beauty of Kenya and appreciate it. Personally, I would say it is a dream come true. Initially, people never knew what motorsport could bring on board. But I'm telling you, this is a sport that brings in so many people all the way from all walks of life. And as they move around, as we tour, who knows that we would one time be here. But it's just because of motorsport we were able to tour Kenya and the journey continues. It is a very different feeling because to take you back, personally I'm also a co-driver. I have sat in a rally car before, but when I see these cars of WRC, the pace at which they move, the technology in them, I just find that is the peak of my rallying career. So for the fans who are on board, they have a lot of expectations. From watching this on TV to now seeing real action. And we appreciate that KTB came on board and made this possible for most of them who could not afford the trip. The uniting factor in this kind of event is key. And you see, when you come here, you try to learn Swahili. And when someone from Kenya knows you from Uganda, they will have to ask you, how do they greet? And then we keep exchanging information. Like we have met people who say they love the matoke in Uganda. And then when we had the best breakfast that was offered to us, most people enjoyed because we got the Kenyan meals on board and they had to try it out. So basically, it's what we can get from this.